What's up, guys? So I wanted to call in here to kind of give you a quick tutorial on how to get your pistol squat. If you don't follow me on Instagram already, it's linked down below, Logan Be Fit. You can follow me, and I show pistol squats literally all the time on my Instagram, and people love them. It is a great isolation exercise for the legs. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to get your pistol squat at home. This is so easy and it just takes practice. Let's go. So first off, I'm gonna show you what a pistol squat looks like so you can get an idea of what we're doing here. So basically what it is you will come one leg on the ground, the other leg up, get your balance, come into a squat, and then back up. And that's a pistol squat. So how are you gonna get it? So there are a ton of ways to be able to do something like this. Luckily at my house, I have this little pole column thing that I can use. So I'm gonna show you guys how I would use that. And you really can do it with a wall, anywhere that you can hold on to something. You just wanna get your balance and hold on to the column. And then you'll stick out one leg, whichever one that you're wanting to use to do the pistol squat, and slowly bring your hands down while keeping this leg up in the air. You don't want to have it touching. That's the main thing about a pistol squat, is its balance. So this leg stays up and the other one stays planted on the ground. And then once you get your weight down, you'll start grabbing up, and you can help use some of your body weight with that to get up. And you can help use your upper body strength and use your arms a little bit to help you. That's the first step to getting your pistol squat. So as you do it, make sure that you're really focusing on driving up through the heel and keeping that foot flat. So again, you'll put one leg up, hands on the column, and you'll slowly come down, keeping that leg up, and then get ready to push up through your heels. Another way that I like to practice on getting my pistol squats and how I did it was using something to squat on. As you can see, I have a coffee table here. You'll do the same thing with one leg up, and you'll just half squat. So it's almost kind of like a box squat. And you're just gonna have that one leg up that you're working on, and then once you squat down and hit, come back up. And then what you can do from there is start leveling down lower. So once you get it at a certain height, then go lower and try to hit it as a box squat from there. Then go lower and hit that squat and lower, and then before you know it, you're gonna be down on the ground. The next way I wanna show is where it's kind of like a tuck and roll type thing. So what you'll do is you'll, almost like a roly-poly, you'll roll back and press one leg. So again, you'll roll, press one leg, keep one down, like that. And you can also do the other leg, and that'll work. So by doing it that way, you're also gonna be using a lot of momentum. So that is really gonna help for beginners, because what happens a lot of time is the momentum to come up is the hardest. It's easy to go down, but once it's time to come back up, it can be kind of tricky. So I would honestly probably start off with the tuck and roll, then I would move into the box squat, and then I would move into using something like a door frame or a column and do it that way. But those three, if you work on that, it's really all about balance. And once you get those three down, you'll be able to do a pistol squat in no time. So I have to go work out now. I'm gonna go ahead and go. I hope you enjoyed it and get your pistol squat. Please let me know, keep me updated on your progress if you try this out. I would love to see it. And yeah, I'm gonna go work out wearing this Gymshark, and we're gonna go. So love you guys. Bye.